Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to have a new subscription. It is the Wal-Mart Beauty box. This is a new subscription for me as for my channel. It is $5 and it is quarterly. It is 4 times a year. So you're paying $20 for 4 boxes. So let's look in here and see what we got and what this thing's all about. It comes in plastic. You take the plastic off and try to figure out how to open it. Alright, when you open it, this is what it looks like. I'm going to say that this is the spring box. Okay, you get Hydration Heroes. Rate and review this season's products at walmart.com/shopbeautybox. Hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. You can enter to win a $100 gift card. Tell us what you think about your Walmart Beauty Box in a brief survey by visiting beautyboxsurvey.com. So if you get this box, you can register to win $100. First thing I'm pulling out is an Olay Daily Facials Daily Hydrating Clean 5-in-1 Cleansing Power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and a cleaner. This is one dry cloth. You get it wet, take your makeup off, and it's supposed to do everything for you. The next thing we have is a Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. This is for detox and brightening. And it really is apparently rainbow colored, if you can pick that up. So, masks are nice. I will definitely be trying that out. The next thing we have is a shampoo and conditioner by Whole Blends. This is the Oat Delicacy. Soothes, hydrates, and protects. So it's nice that they send you a shampoo and a conditioner to try. It is paraben free, so I can try this. As I have said, I don't use shampoos that have sulfates or parabens or any of that in there. The next thing we have is a Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. Apply daily. It is water activated moisture. Works deep into skin surface. Helps repair moisture barrier with ceramide complex. Immediately absorbs and completely greaseless. So that's nice to try. I remember when, I want to say it's Neutrogena came out with the in-shower body lotion. I almost killed my husband. That stuff is slick. It gets all over your bathtub. It is very hard to get off. So I'll definitely be trying this since you put it on after your shower while you're still wet. The next thing we have in here is the Pantene Intense Rescue Shots. That is what that looks like. Awfully big box for such a small product. And that is what that looks like when you take it out of the box. Treatment targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. Dispense into hand and apply from mid-length to ends and rinse thoroughly. So you're supposed to use this whole thing at one time. So that'll be nice to try out. And it gives you a little card to tell you about that and how to use it. And then the last thing in here is a makeup bag. It is a Walmart brand makeup bag. It looks like it has little raindrops on it. So, I'm always looking for things to stick in my makeup bags. I get the Ipsy bags and I use them for different things. But that is what that looks like. So we got 1, 2, 3, 5 products. For $5. So basically all you're doing is paying for the shipping cost of your box. So that was nice. The next one will come out in spring. Like I said, this is $20 for the whole year, so it's something to look at forward or look into. And everything and anything that you receive that you like, you can go get at your local Walmart, because we know that there's one on every corner. So that was my Wal-Mart beauty box. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Perhaps subscribe to my channel. I am trying to grow it. I have started a giveaway bin. Share my videos. That always helps. And until next time, stay beautiful. Bye.